Hello everyone, welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews and welcome to the Kärcher Window Vac 10 years anniversary edition. So a quick look at the packaging. It's a nice packaging this, so it just says their performance. So it can clean 105 square meters of cleaning area, 40% extended running time. Shows you the accessories it comes with. Same thing on the side, it just says 10 years there. So Kärcher 10 years Window Vac 2008 to 2018. It's a nice package in this. So 2008 to 2018, and it shows you the various different models that are there. Performance, I've already read that. Features, how to use, what's included, and then 10 year there. I actually own the Karcher Window Vac 5. It is the premium model I bought, which come with all the extras what this has. I think it's that one there. So it's 2015 that was out. Yeah, it's here. I've got it here. So I've done a full detailed review of this and I've done a demonstration. If you want to watch that, there'll be a pop-up card there. I've also reviewed a few more Kärcher products. I'll leave pop-up cards, and there will be a link in the description below to a playlist to all of them. Anyway, let's get on with this. So let's open it. So there the box is just showing some extras you can get. That bar, it's for extra reach. I was looking into buying one of that, but I never actually got around to it. Okay, I forgot to mention, at the time of making this video, this is on Amazon for $49.99. It's normally $99.99. So if you do want to pick one of these up, I'll leave a link in the description box below, and act fast, because at this price it is a good product. Now, how I can say it's a good product without I haven't even used this, because I've used the previous model for over a year, and honestly it's a brilliant piece of kit. So anyway, let's take all this out. That's the bottle. They've sort of crammed everything in quite well, haven't they? I like the colours they've done on it. Let me just put the box that way, slide it out. Okay, everything's coming out. Nothing else in the box. Let me just move the box out the way, out of shot hopefully. Okay, so the first thing you get is a charger. So because we're in the UK, we've got a 3-pin charger. That's that. Comes with some paperwork, so product registration. I believe it's 2 years guarantee on this. Don't quote me on that, but I'll leave it in the description box anyway. Some paperwork. We premium 10 years edition. It shows you what's what there. Right, so this takes 185 minutes to charge, and it gives you a 35-minute runtime. That's exactly the same as the Window Vac 5 I have. There it's just showing you how to put the solution in, get into the bottle, how to get everything going, but I'll show you that anyway. This is not only good for cleaning windows, it's good for condensation as well, or cleaning spills. Like my little ones, if they throw a drink on the table, or on the floor, even on the wood floor, and we just get out of a Kärcher and suck it up. It's an excellent product. So they give you a detergent there, so you can put that into the bottle and you're ready to go. And it does clean really good, this, because I've actually bought an extra pack of this when I bought mine. That's that. Okay. Let's look at the bottle. That's rather small. There's a max fill line there. Smaller than the previous, the one that I owned before. It's smaller than that. Kärcher brand in that there. It's got some straps there. That's Velcro. This microfibre pad here is Velcro, because the other one wasn't. You've got to stick that one in on my previous model. It's quite good, that. So that would, of course, if it's Velcro, it just goes on like that, and that is washable. That. So that would go on there first, like so. So once you've got that connected, then you'll get this. Pop it in, and just hold it, then tighten it, spray it on, and then move it around, and then you get the window vac and just vacuum it off. That's that. Okay, so you get 2 blades with it. So you get the small one, for doing your small windows, and it's got a really thick rubber squeegee there, so you won't get any scratches on your windows. That's the bigger blade, Kärcher brand in there, yellow. So onto the machine itself, you'd connect the charger in there, plug it in there, pop it on charge. Now that's a rubberized power on off button. That would go, it's green when there's charging it, and it start flashing red when the charge is about to die out. 10 years, 40% runtime. It's got a yellow bottle there. Before I connect it together, I'll just take it apart and I'll show you how to clean it further if you want to. So you just press these two tabs, that comes off. Okay. And then the bottle, so for emptying it, obviously you just pull that up. It's new, so it's quite tight, yeah. And just empty it down the sink, and it has a max line there. It's a yellow container, and the other one is clear. And you can take all this off as well. Just close that. That fits on like so. There's only one way it goes on. It just clicks on. So let's just put the small head on for now. So I've put the small head on. So if you do want to change the head, it's simple. You just grab that. 1 second. Just grab that and just pull it off. The head comes off. Put the other one on. So then charging it. There it is. Window Vac. I honestly cannot tell a difference from both of them apart from the colour. So yeah, Kärcher's calling this the 10-year anniversary edition, but the runtime is exactly the same as the other one. The premium model at the moment, I checked on Amazon before making this video, that were for £75.99. So you're better off buying the anniversary edition because it's for £50, well, a penny less. So that's cheaper at the moment. So Kärcher are proud and saying this is the anniversary edition, and the only thing they've changed on it is the colour. Apart from that, it's the Window Vac 5 Premium Edition. I won't be doing a demonstration on this because I've already done a demonstration on the Kärcher Window Vac 5 Premium Edition, and they're exactly the same apart from the colour. Let me answer a few questions while I'm here as well. You don't just have to use this solution. You could use any other solution. You could use Fairy, any other window cleaner. This is just a vacuum, so it's not like you just have to use their solution, because their solution is quite expensive. Because I remember I bought a pack of 4 of these, was about £20. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the Kärcher Window Vac 10-year anniversary edition. If you found the video useful, please give it a thumbs up or thumbs down. It's only fair. Do subscribe because I've got more reviews coming. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.